Hello everybody, my name is Sanad and welcome to another video. In today's video, I will show you exactly how I bought my TikTok account that has over 100,000 followers. I will show you how much I paid for it, what site I used to buy it, all that important information. Also, I will give you some awesome tips on the safest ways to buy TikTok accounts. If you are looking to buy a TikTok account to become famous, to become a TikTok influencer, to start making money on TikTok, whatever your reason is, you want to watch this video because I will show you how to not to get scammed buying TikTok accounts. Alright, so if you are new to this channel, make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel for more videos like this one, and now let's get started. Alright, so recently I bought a TikTok account that has over 100,000 followers. So you're probably asking yourself, why did I buy it? How much money did I pay for it? And most importantly, how did I buy it safely? So for the last couple of weeks, I spent a lot of time looking for TikTok accounts to buy. I checked on FameSwap, one of the biggest sites that sell TikTok accounts. I checked on eBay. I checked on Facebook Marketplace. I even checked on TikTok itself for individuals that made TikToks about selling their accounts. And on all of those sites, I found a lot of scams. I found a lot of people that were selling accounts that had fake followers, that had no videos, that were pretty much trying to just get your money and not give you anything in return. So after doing a ton of research, I decided the best way to buy TikTok accounts is through PayPal Marketplace and with eBay. So if you are looking to buy a TikTok account, make sure you check out eBay and FameSwap. These are legit ways to buy TikTok accounts and safe ways. Why? Simply because you are able to get your money back. When you buy a TikTok account on eBay, you are using PayPal. So you are able to get your money back. But here are the negative parts. You have to make sure that all the TikTok accounts that you are buying have real followers. One of the best ways to check if the account that you are buying has real followers is by checking the engagement. Make sure to go on the TikTok account, scroll all the way down, check out all the videos, see how many likes the videos are getting, see how many comments the videos are getting. If you're buying an account that has 500,000 followers, but then you scroll down and you check all the videos and they all have 5 likes, 10 likes, 5 views, 100 views, most likely all of those followers are bots, and you do not want to buy that account because it will be like starting over, because none of those followers are active, they're not liking, they're not engaging, so stay away from those accounts. So the way I bought my account with 100,000 followers, I used eBay. I went on eBay and I simply typed TikTok accounts for sale and a couple of them will pop up. Most of the time there are between 2 and 10 accounts for sale on eBay, and the price ranges are extremely different. They start between $100 all the way to $30,000. But a lot of the ones that are very expensive do not get sold. Also on eBay, you're going to get the most bang for your buck. Sites like FameSwap, they have a ton of TikTok accounts for sale, but most of them are overpriced. They're asking like a ton of money for TikTok's accounts, and most of the time when you send offers on FameSwap, you do not get any offers back. Literally, you submit an offer and it could be weeks and months before you hear back anything. That is why I do not like dealing with FameSwap, simply because it is extremely slow and the prices are way overpriced. But the good thing about FameSwap, it is secured. The person has to submit their account, you have to submit the money, and then there's a party in the middle that makes sure that everything is legit. This way you will not be scammed. And now here are some tips how to buy a TikTok account the safest way possible without being scammed. Tip number 1, do not use Venmo, do not use Cash App. When you send money with these two apps, you will not be able to get your money back. The person can simply receive the money and then block you and not send you the TikTok account. So if the seller asks you to send the money via Venmo or Cash App, most likely they are trying to scam you. So do not fall for these scams. If they want Cash App or Venmo, make sure to meet in person. That is the only safe way to buy the TikTok account, using these two apps. So the first tip, do not use Venmo, do not use Cash App unless you can meet the seller in person, face to face. Other than that, do not use those two apps to buy TikTok accounts. Most likely, you'll be scammed. Alright, tip number 2, make sure to use PayPal. And in PayPal, there are two options. You can use the PayPal to buy merchandise, or you can use the option to send money to friends or family. Make sure to use the one with merchandise. This way you are protected by PayPal in case the seller tries to scam you. If you use the option to send money on PayPal as friends and family, then you will not get the protection that PayPal offers, and the seller can scam you and not send you the account. Another good tip, make sure to use eBay or FameSwap in order not to get scammed. Also, this is extremely important when buying a TikTok account. As soon as you get the account, log in and change the phone number and change the email associated with that account. If you do not do this, the person that sold you the account, they'll be able to recover their account and then change the password again, and you'll be locked out of the account. Make sure you change the phone number and the email associated with the account and put your information. What I like to do personally is after the payment is sent with PayPal protection, make sure to contact the seller and change this information as soon as possible. This way the account will be under your phone number and under your email. The seller at this point will not be able to change the password, will not be able to recover the account because it is under your information. This is one of the biggest mistakes that people make when buying a TikTok account. They simply buy the account, change the username, and then a couple weeks later, the seller that sold you the account recovers their account with their email or their phone number and then locks you out of the account. So make sure to change this information as soon as possible. Also, one other tip I have is if you post a message on Instagram, on TikTok, on YouTube, wherever that you are interested in buying a TikTok account, a lot of people will message you. Some are legitimate sellers selling their TikTok accounts, but a lot of them are professional scammers. So make sure when a person tells you they have an account for sale, ask for the username. Ask for the username of the TikTok account, and then go into your TikTok app, message the person that is selling their account on TikTok. A lot of scammers will message you on Instagram telling you, I have this account that has 100,000 followers, I'll be selling it for $200. But when you message that account on TikTok, the person is not selling their account because this scammer simply took their username and posted it for sale, even though the real person that owns a TikTok account is not selling the account. They're just trying to fish, and they're just trying to get you to send them the money, and then they'll be poof, gone with your money, and you will not get the TikTok account. So make sure to message this person on TikTok and verify that they are selling the account, and to verify that that is the exact same person. Alright everybody, if you enjoyed those tips, make sure you like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this one. I'll be making a ton of videos about TikTok on how to grow your following, how to get more followers, more likes, more comments, more engagement, and how to eventually start making money on TikTok. If you are interested in any of those topics, smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. Also, if you have any more tips on how to not to get scammed when buying a TikTok account, make sure you leave it in the comment section below. I love getting feedback from you guys. I'll be responding to all your comments. And as always, see you in the next video. Peace out.